You should probably drive. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I do remember that buggy incident.
No, we don't. What are you talking about?
Alright, Jake.
How do you stand up in this motherfucker? Oh, there we go. There's a car right in front of us.
Car. Shoot.
Trying.
And a motorcycle in front. But it's
Let's
just
go,
one guy.
baby! Fuck
You
them
got one, you got
up!
one.
Let's go!
Dude, get
Get
Oh my
fucked!
gosh, oh my gosh.
I'm out of ammo, dude. It won't let me out! Oh,
Nice,
they're
nice.
fucking him.
Oh
He's gonna pick
my
up his teammates,
gosh.
dude. Quick, dude. He's going for his teammates. Ah,
It was
fuck.
awesome.
That was epic. I'm out of ammo as
Nice,
fuck,
nice,
dude.
nice.
You got a pistol.
Don't get out if I'm moving.
Wow.
Let's go!
Oh.
Get
Get
fucking
shit on,
wrecked.
kids.
Holy